Hello children, today we are going to see measurement of capacity. What does it mean by capacity? When we measure capacity, it means that we measure how much space it takes for liquid to fill up. Avik's mother buys 2 packets of milk from the milk vendor every day. Each milk packet has 500 milliliter printed on it. Om saw that 250 milliliter was printed on shampoo bottle. Kuhu saw that 50 milliliter was printed on a medicine bottle which was at her home. Now children, you might have seen water tank at your house. What is the capacity of that tank? If you have noted, then you would have seen that 1500 liter it would have shown, or otherwise 1000 liter it may show. Okay, so always try to observe the things around you. Now see the aquarium, storage drum, cooking oil container, etc. They store large amount of liquids, isn't it? So the liter is a metric unit to measure large amount of liquids. Milliliter is another unit of capacity which is used to measure small amounts of liquid. How much a teaspoon can hold? Very less, isn't it? So which is the unit you are going to use? It's milliliters. Okay. Now how much oil is used for cooking? If you have seen your mother cooking, then you would have noticed it's very less amount used, isn't it? So for that also, which is the correct unit to be used? Yes, that is also milliliters. Now you will read the capacity of a ketchup packet, an ink pot, eye drops, and tell me tomorrow. Okay? Now see, these are some containers used for measuring liquids. These are the containers used for measuring milk. You might have seen the milkman measuring with these containers, right? Okay, now see the containers used for measuring oil, petrol, etc. Now children, collect different types of containers like bucket, jug, spoon, pot, bottle, cup, saucer, karahi, bowl, mug, and whichever the containers you have at home, and group them into two, which can carry less than a liter, and the containers which can carry more than a liter. Okay? Now children, can you answer to this question? Circle the number of vessels required to measure the following articles. The first one you can see Fortune oil is given and you want to measure 5 liter 200 milliliters. Okay, so which are the containers given here? 5 liter, 2 liter container, 1 liter container, 500 milliliter container, and you are also given 200 milliliter container. So for 5 liter the container is already given, you can very well use it, and 200 milliliter container is also given. So those two containers, when you use it, you can measure 5 liter 200 milliliters. Fine. Now see the second question and try to do it on your own. Now children, can you answer to this question that how many glasses of 250 milliliter can be filled with 1 liter? Then, as you know, 1 liter is 1000 milliliter. What you can do is 250, how many times you add so that you get 1000. Okay, so 250 plus 250 plus 250 plus 250. It comes to 1000 milliliter. Okay, so it means that 4 glasses can be filled, or otherwise you can also do 250 into 4. So again you will get 1000. It means 4 glasses can be filled with 1 liter. Okay. Now answer to this question, how many cups of 200 milliliter can be filled with 1 liter? It means you need to think 200 into how much is equal to 1000 milliliters, that is 1 liter. Okay, so 200 into 5, when you do it, it comes to 1000. So 5 cups can be filled. Now come to this question, convert milliliters into liters. So as you know, 1000 milliliters make 1 liter. So in order to convert milliliters to liters, you will divide the milliliter number with 1000. Okay, so here 3000 divided by 1000, it will be 3 only. So 3 liters. What about the second question? 5000 milliliter is equal to how many liters? So 5000 divided by 1000, it comes to 5 liters. And the third question is obviously for you. Now see this question. Very, very important. Convert into liters and milliliters. The question given is 3016 milliliters is equal to how many liters and how many milliliters. Now as you know, 1000 milliliters make 1 liter. So 3016 milliliter will be how many liters? It means 3016 divided by 1000. Now as it is division by 1000, you know that last 3 digits are for the remainder part, and before that whatever is given, that is your quotient. So quotient is for liter part and remainder is for milliliters part. So what about the quotient here? 3, that will be your liter, and 016 is the remainder. It means 16 only. So 16 milliliters and 3 liters. Now see this question, it is for self practice. Convert into liters and milliliters. See the first question, 3812 milliliters is equal to how many liters and how many milliliters. Now as I said, when milliliter number is divided by 1000, that means in 1000 as 3 zeros are there, last 3 digits will be for milliliter numeral, and before that whichever number is given, that stands for liter numeral. Okay, the quotient is your liter number and the remainder will be your milliliter number. So 3812 divided by 1000. So here 3 liters and 812 milliliters. Last 3 digits 812 will be milliliters, and before that the number given is 3. So that will be your liter number. Fine. Next 2 questions for you. Thank you.